Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I got coffee, so I'm a little bit more hyper than normal. I did want to share with you guys that I did get the Beautylish Wayne Goss mystery bag. Last time I checked, it was still on the site. There were two different ones. There was $100 one and $150 one. So I got the $100 one. I did open it up and see what's in there, but I did want to show it with you guys just in case you were interested. Great value, great value. So we'll get into it. The first thing, you just got to excuse my handprints because there's no way to not just, let me see, not get it like covered with handprints. But as you can see, this is what it is. It's a radiance boosting face palette. Now I gotta grab her out of here. That is this guy. Let me wipe again as much as I can. As you can see, it's just pure fingerprints. So we'll check out the inside. Oh, little plastic fell out. All right, guys, so this is the inside. It has two colors. I did get the medium one because I'm light to medium, and I just felt like it would be a better fit for me. I did want to sit with you guys and try these on. So as you can kind of see, there's let me see what I'm looking at here. This one over here is a little bit better for contour, and this one over here is a little better for bronzer. So let's find a bronzer brush. I just had it, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go in just into the bronzer alone, so this side right here. And then I'm going to, because my makeup needs to be touched up, it's been on for a while today. So I don't know if you can see it. These are really nice, like sheen, like a luminous style sheen to it. And then it actually has little glitter particles, if you can see in there at all. And I'm just gonna add some in here. And under here, I do have like a white shirt, so it can kind of wash me out. And then for the contour, I'm just gonna grab this brush right here and dip into the contour color and just kind of just barely into here, just to kind of give it some definition. As you can see, it's definitely a good contour color. I actually used it one night, and the night happened to be one of those nights where you are out until like 3 a.m. with your friends, and my makeup stayed put. Let me just say that. So I mean, Wayne Goss is known for being an incredible makeup artist. So I didn't have any doubts in his products, but I was curious kind of to see what I have. I only actually opened 2 of the products in here because I wanted to use them. Everything else I left for playing with you guys. All right, guys. So let me do the wipe down, right? The next product I got, the large product that I got, is a luxury eye palette. And this is the Imperial Topaz palette. So I do have her in here as well. They came in a little wrapping like this. You open her up. There's a lot of fingerprints. So you go like this. That is the one thing I could say, is there's so many fingerprints here that it really is like kind of annoying when you pick it up if you're like an OCD type person like myself. So here's what this palette looks like. Now this is gorgeous. I do want to play with it for a second, but I did a look where like this was in my main part of my eye. I had this in the crease, and then I use a little bit of this black color to just, you know, make it a little bit darker out on the sides. I use this on the inside corner, not today, when I went out, and then I use this color right here. So what I'm going to do is kind of do like a quick light version of that just to touch up my makeup, because I do have a whole nother video to do and a lot going on. So I'm going to, like I said, we're going to go back into this color right here, and then I'm going to kind of just tap it on right here, guys. So you'll see the color I had on, the color now, pretty kind of similar to the original color I had on, minus this. So I am just gonna, like I said, go back over that, and it is really a nice palette. When I say this stuff stayed all the night through the next morning, it was great. It was insane. So another thing I want to try doing that I've been doing a little bit more of with liner is we're going to go into that black right there with a brush like this. Okay, And I've been kind of using this liner and then just kind of flicking it out and upward. And it makes this like cat line, but a very like faint one. Like it's not dark eyeliner, but it gives you that lifted look. And I'm just going to do that over here because I had it earlier. But you also can do this. We got a really great eyeliner in the Boxyluxe or Premium, I forget what it was, and that one's great to do too. You just put it on, and while you've got time to work with it, just kind of flick it up, and it gives you that like lifted eye look. Now what I wanted to do with, I wanted to play with this right here. Where's my favorite brush for that? Oh my gosh, all my brushes completely dirty. Completely dirty. Who am I? I have to brush. Brush, I have to clean. So this right here, beautiful. So I'm just going to tap into that. You're going to see the colors here. What am I doing? I don't know how you're possibly going to see it that way. Let's do it like this. There we are. Kind of see it better there. And I'm just going to go right on top. And it's not super glittery. The best way I can describe it is like it really just gives a nice added sheen to everything. Hope you can kind of see that. Just a nice, really, you know, exactly what you would expect from a makeup artist. I mean, obviously you can build it up more, but it is a beautiful palette. I love neutrals. I don't know what happened to me. We used to all know I am a colorful girl, and I still am, but I guess for the fall and winter have been moving more towards my neutrals again, and I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. So the final thing I'm going to do is kind of just touch into this light right here and show you. It's actually, it could be a great highlighter as well. I think that night I did use it as a highlighter, but we're going to pop this and kind of bring it in here to the crease just to kind of open this eye up ever so slightly. As you can see, it just kind of opens it a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same for this guy right here. This guy. I like it. I like my, talking about my eye look right now. You guys hear some talking in the background. That is my baby boy. I gotta get on and talk to you guys. There's been a lot going on. I'm gonna have a sit down, and I don't even know if I'm gonna play with makeup. We're just gonna catch up on health and life, and maybe I'll just do a full face and not really like go over everything, but list it. And I think that's what's gonna be coming next. I know a lot of you guys ask me, how's my health? How are you doing? This and that. I have a lot to catch you up on, and it's not really been great, and my mental health has also not really been the best it can be. So to do that, I know I have to be more transparent. I know a lot of you guys are going through seasonal depression or things that are going on in your lives, so opening up I hope will be helpful. So just, you know, hit subscribe. I always forget to say this. Give me a like, guys. Hit subscribe. Stay with me. Come first travel along with me. The next thing I got in this box, which I have not opened yet, guys, those are the only two things I opened, is a eye kohl pencil. And this is in the color, I can't see, Obsidian. Obsidian. I hate messing up. You guys have been here long enough, you know I hate messing up boxes and stuff, but it's kind of hard not to. So this is like a regular black. Oh, I love that it has a sharpening one. Even though I don't like love sharpening things, I like that this one is, because it's easier, like it's cleaner. So as a, don't get this one, as a makeup artist, I was going to try and look in a mirror, but as a makeup artist, you don't want to get, like, use a twist up, because then bacteria can kind of grow inside of it, and you know the deal. So him being a makeup artist probably led to that, and I think that's a good decision. They tend to work best for me in my, you know, opinion, which is, you know, nothing great. But I'm going to try this on right here. I'm going to close my eye and add a little up here just to give it a little more defined look. Excited for this, super excited. Okay, so we're going to throw that to the side. The next thing I got, guys, is the Essential. So this is a lip liner in mauve. Let's check out what this looks like in mauve. Okay, so interesting. It's more of like a mauve nude. Do I want to try and see what this will look like with what I already have? I just have a gloss on, so I don't see kind of why we can't do that. Let's do it. Let's just see. Okay. So it's really like my lips but better kind of thing. I did happen to see some openings of this stuff, this box, I'm sorry, in particular before, and I do know that there's a lip in here, and I believe there's a gloss in here if it goes along with like what I've seen so far. So the next thing, so I'm just going to leave the rest of my lips open just so we can see some things. The next thing I see is a eye pencil, again, in Rich Haze. So I would assume that to be like a greenish brownish color. What? Okay, I was gonna say it's black again, but okay. So I'm just gonna put it right here because I'm confused. Okay. I mean, maybe that looks brown. Very close, very close. Let's look at the other one again. So they look exactly the same. And then let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so there's a difference. It's a very subtle difference, right? But there is a difference. There's black, and then it looks like just a brown, which I love. I do love blacks and browns. It looks like you have some playtime, and then it's really going to stick. So if you see, I can kind of smear it down here, but then it looks like it's going to stay in place, which is great. We love that. Okay, and the next thing I got here is a Lip Essential Pencil again, and this is in the color Medium Nude. Ooh, maybe I should have waited for this since I have a nude look on. Okay, so I think we can play with this. It's a little bit darker of a brown. Yeah, I can see it, but let's go here. Okay. So yeah, I'm glad I went medium because that would have been way too light for me if it were light that I had went with, because I believe that they got a like nude as well. That would have been kind of light. So as a heads up, if you are going to go on and buy it and you're my skin tone or darker, I would definitely stick with the medium. If you're in between, I would just jump up to the medium. So I got another lip pencil here, okay? And this is in a berry color. So you would think like what? Like purplish, pinkish color? Wow, these are really just, it's nude. So these are really just a lot of different nudes. Look how close they are. Okay, so I love that though. I like nudes, so I'm not mad about that, but they're really close in color. Like really close. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we've got next, guys. All right. The next thing we have is a High Shine Gloss in Hibiscus. I actually want to see something real quick because I believe there's a lip color. And I want to see if it goes with my look. And then maybe we can use the gloss on top of it. So we do have a lipstick here. And this is in Walnut. All right. So we'll open her up. And this is the color. Now that's a great color. Let's try it on. Love. Okay, I would say this is like a very satin finish. Cute little component. It doesn't have like a magnet or anything, which you would think because it's a expensive product, you know? So in all, okay, wait, I'm sorry. I almost forgot the gloss. I don't know if I'm actually going to put that on. I might put it on before. I have a lot to do tonight, so I might have to put it on before. Right now, I got to go clean my house after the next video, so maybe we'll wait to put it on, but I will show you guys what it looks like. If, in fact, I can get it out. All right, guys, so this is the lip gloss. It's a beautiful color right here. So this is that. I think that's a wonderful nude. So I'm happy about that as well. All right, guys. So the whole box as a whole was absolutely amazing. So we've got a black liner, a brown liner, a bunch of nude lippies. We've got a gloss. We have a lipstick. And then we had not one, but two palettes. We had an eye palette and a face palette. So I would say in all, this box is absolutely worth 100% what you paid for it and then some. And I would absolutely recommend this to everyone to get if you're interested in trying some of Wayne's products. Prior to this, I have one Wayne Goss brush and I have none of his products. So I'm super happy to have gotten this box and I think it was worth it. Go check out beautylish.com, see if it's there for you. Type in Wayne Goss Mystery Box and there's 2 different types and 3 different skin tone ranges. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you think it's worth it. did you grab one yourself, and are you going to grab one? If not, stay tuned because there is going to be a giveaway for the Christmas holiday. So keep watching the videos, guys. Give me some likes, give me some shares online, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Love you.